I hope you're all doing well. So we're going to be starting the laid and couched one stitch today. I'm really excited to start it, especially because Phillippa has said, as we saw in her last video, that it's one of her favourite stitches. So after watching her do it, I'm quite excited to start this one. So I've got my first colour and I'm ready to start, so I thought I'd just show you how I get on with it. So I'm going to make sure I'm over the blue line, which is always the mistake I make. So we're going to go there, and then we're going to come down to here. Like that. And I'm going to come up here at the bottom and pull that nice and tight, and then back. There, like that. So we're going to come up here. And down. I definitely think it's easy. I like it when there's big stitches, is what I've come to the conclusion. Up. Up. And down. Down. Take it to there, trying to make sure I don't go over the hoof of the stag. Maybe should have moved this further across as well. I'm hoping this isn't going to cause me too many issues. Further along there. And here. So I'm going to just put a little steeding stitch. I think I'll just do it in the stag because it will get stitched over that one. I'm just going to change my thread before we go back over the other way. From the bottom, I'm gonna go and from the top, I'm gonna go down, from the down, I'm gonna go up. Go down, down, we'll go down, down, go down, and then can we get this one in? I really shouldn't have made this hard for myself. I should have just moved the linen across a little bit. Can I get it to that? I can't get it to where I need it to be. Oh, yes I can. Down. Up. Like that. So that's the first colour done. So then we're going to repeat that again and get with the second colour, and we'll do that again with the third colour before we put our couched stitch in. Finished the three colours for the lace stitch, and I've really enjoyed doing this stitch. I love the colours, I love how quickly it grows, and I really love the effect too. So we're going to go in with the couched stitch now. I've got my contrasting colour to go with it, and I'll start on this one, and we're just going to go for it, use the base of the V to the top. Oh, my needle has just come off. Just rethread that quickly. So my needle's ready, and we're going to go back up and just following the direction which Philippa is given on the instructions, which is we're going from the bottom to the top. So then I'm going to come on this one here, bottom to the top. Bottom. So I've now finished the laden couch stitch, and I've really enjoyed doing this one. I love the effect, I love the colours, and I can definitely see why it's Philippa's favourite stitch. There's something so pleasing about doing it, and the finished effect is really nice too. So on Monday we're going to be moving on to the final kind of element of the design, which I can't actually believe we're at this. It feels like we only started this week. A bit sad that it's coming to an end, but we've got the stag to do. So this is what we're going to be moving on to on Monday. It's mainly long and short stitch again, which you all know is one of my favourite stitches to do. So I'm looking forward to doing it, even though I'm sad that it's the end nearly. So I'm going to be spending my Sunday catching up on some of the bits which I've not quite got round to doing yet. You might see that there's a few blank spaces with just outlines. So I'm going to be spending my Sunday stitching, and I hope you have a nice Sunday stitching too, and manage to fit in watching Philippa's Sunday Antiques video too. So I will see you on Monday when we go on to the last bit.